Hi everyone, this is Cassandra I. Castaneda. I am presenting Data Meeting 5 with Amani Cruz. Our agenda for this meeting, we decided to work together on a Google Docs document. How we communicated was email, text, and Google Docs. We decided to share a document and just edit it. When we met was on October 24th. This is our data chart, as you see. This is our SMART goal. The class average on assignments for Learning Objective 3 will increase from 4.912 to a 7.5 after 4 weeks of targeted instruction. Analysis of our data. I noticed that the class average on the end of the unit assessment and end of unit project is significantly average prior to 2 weeks of targeted instruction. As such, we were able to meet our goal of an increase in the class average from 49 accuracy to 75% accuracy. IAP students performed much better end of unit assessment and end of unit project than they did on previous assignments. All but one student with an IAP increased their average to at least 60% accuracy after 4 weeks of targeted instruction. Looking back or forward at data, we discussed as a team and found that it would be best that we focus on looking back at the data and also looking forward. Looking at the old data, we will help structure our plan for upcoming approaches to help the students. In order for students to be successful, we need to look at the past to see what worked to help shape the future learning objectives. If we decided to look just ahead, we would essentially be starting back at square one, doing the process over again. But if we look back and at what we know, we will be stronger for students and teacher resources. Thank you everyone for viewing Data Meeting 5.